Excuse me. I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Eat, 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 eat. Make it stop, make it stop! Oh, the pain, the pain! You might want to put that back. Boring! I'm being liquidated! Oh, water everywhere! Hey, you're getting my clothes wet! Oh, water everywhere! You're drowning me! Mind if I catch a nap here? Don't get my box wet. Oh, pardon me. Well. That's not good. I'm gonna go play a couple of your other iPhone games if that's okay. So, what do you want to do? You got anything I could read for a few minutes? I'm dying! I'm out! Oh, God! No! Enough! Can I go watch the X-Files for a while? Help me! Ugh, it stinks like garbage in here. I'm not happy that way. I know, Mr. Fantastic! Oh, that's better. That's my world. I want a cracker. Oh, I almost like that. I gotta pull myself together. Nothing happens, and I actually like it. Boring. Steamboat Willie. Pay attention to me. La, 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 la. Have you been to the moon? Hey, it's time to hurt somebody. Care to dance? Matryoshka! Put it back. Yeah, just put it back. No, Amy, Tito. Mama told me not to come. No, not that. No. Hey, take your time. Can you hold the phone steady? I'm gonna snooze for a while. Oh my god! Ouch! Ow! Enough! Oh god! Mama! No, not that. Oi! I'm in a world of pain! This is bad. You're a Choose something else. No. I want to see the basement of the Alamo. Siri, call the ambulance. No! Ah! Ow! No. I live in a box. I can't take this! Ooh, I've been hit! Now let's put that back. Babushka! What's wrong with you? Oh, excuse me. Fetch me some coffee, please. Excuse me. Just call me Indiana. Dun, dun, dun. I wish it would last forever. Want to trade places? Ooh, nice fingers you got there. So, what do you want to do? Madreshka. Pardon me. Hey, it's lonely in here. I'm gonna go play a couple of your other iPhone games if that's okay. Can I go watch the X-Files for a while? I live in a box. Hey, did you see... I am wrapped in darkness. Are you taking? You got anything I could read for a few minutes? Do you know anyone famous? Hey, get me all broken.